I received a text. DA, I'm on your LTK shop, but how do I shop the post? I thought it was a great topic for a quick LTK tutorial. First, go to the App Store and download the LTK app. Android users, there's one combined app for shoppers and creators. For iOS users, download the LTK shop app. Create an account and search for my shop. Feed your addiction. Feed_your_addiction. Post that features an item on sale will have a sale label on the post, and the individual item that is on sale will have a red tab in the corner. Select any post and follow. Like any post by tapping the heart. Underneath the post is a section called Shop the Pick. All shoppable items are linked here. Select any item, then shop now, and it will take you directly to the retailer site. Like the item but not ready to purchase? Tap the heart in the Shop the Pick section and LTK will save the item for you. It will send you an alert when there is a sale or a price drop on the item. If the item is out of stock, tapping the heart will also enable a restock notice that will come right to your phone when the item is available again. Want to support shoppable links but do not want to miss out on your Rakuten cash back? You can actually do both. Once you have made your purchase from the retailer site through LTK, go to Rakuten, start a shopping session for that retailer. Go to your shop history and report missing cash back. Provide your order number and subtotal to receive your cash back. Shop and follow your favorite content creators and earn your cash back too. Happy shopping!